In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Slack desktop application in Windows. If you use Slack regularly, installing the desktop app can give you a smoother experience than keeping it open in a browser tab. The Windows app is typically more responsive, supports system notifications more reliably, and makes it easier to launch Slack quickly whenever you start your computer. In this walkthrough, we'll use the official standalone installer from Slack's website, which is a dependable way to get the latest stable version installed correctly. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to Slack's official Windows download page at slack.com/downloads/windows. Once the page loads, look for the button labeled Download .exe 64-bit and click it. If your Windows device uses an ARM-based processor, you should choose the ARM64 option listed below the main download button instead. After that, save the installer file, which is usually called slacksetup.exe, to your downloads folder so it's easy to find. When the download is finished, open File Explorer and navigate to your downloads folder. Find the slacksetup.exe file and double-click it to start the installation. At this point, Windows may show a user account control prompt asking if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device. If that appears, click Yes to continue. From there, Slack will install in the background automatically. One nice thing about this setup is that it usually doesn't require you to click through a long installation wizard. In most cases, the app will finish installing and open on its own within a few moments. Once Slack launches, you'll see the option to sign in. Click the Sign In to Slack button. Slack will then open a page in your default web browser so it can verify your account and connect your workspace to the desktop app. From there, select your workspace or sign in using your preferred method if needed. When your browser asks to hand things back to the app, click Open Slack or Allow to complete the connection. That step is what links the browser sign-in to the desktop application. After you're signed in, there's one more recommended step to make Slack easier to access. Look at the Windows taskbar at the bottom of your screen and find the Slack icon. Right-click the icon, then choose Pin to Taskbar. This keeps Slack available for quick one-click access even after you close the window. And that's it. Slack is now installed, connected, and ready